Hi, this is Teacher Jen from camglish.com and welcome again to a new lesson on essential English patterns. Today we will discuss a new pattern, and it's the pattern I like plus the ing form of the verb. Again, I like plus the ing form of the verb. So we will talk about ing form. So what is the ing form? It is the form of the verb that functions as a noun. So again, it's not a verb anymore. It's a noun. So ing form is also called gerund. Gerund is a noun derived from the verb. Okay? So we just have to add words that ends with ing. Okay, but of course these words are verb, okay, but we just put ing so it will become a noun. Okay, so let's discuss the following sample sentences for you to be able to understand it much better. Number 1, I like skiing. I like skiing. So here our verb is like, okay, and ski, okay, it is the verb form, but because we said I like skiing, so skiing became the noun. It is called the gerund because the ing form of the verb now functions as a noun. And what is skiing? It is a sport where people use skis to travel. Okay, so now it's the noun form, not the verb form anymore. Number 2, I like sailing. I like sailing. So sail is the verb, but because we will use the ing form, it will become a noun, sailing. Sailing is the sport of riding a sailboat. Okay, and the activity or the sport of riding a sailboat. So I like sailing. Sailing is a noun. Number 3, I like reading. I like reading. This is very easy. Everybody knows what reading is. Read is the verb, but we add ing, so it became noun. That's the noun form of the verb. So reading is the act or activity of one who reads. So if you are reading, then that is a noun, reading. But this is different from the sentence, she is reading. In that case, reading functions as a verb also. Okay? But in this sentence, I like reading, you are talking about the act or activity of one who reads. Okay? So that is the noun form. Number 4, I like biking. I like biking. So again, bike, that is the verb, and we add ing, so it became a noun, biking. And biking is to ride a bike. So you're saying, I like biking. The function of biking here is a noun. Number 5, I like drawing. I like drawing. So draw is the verb, but because we add ing, it became a noun. So it's the noun form of the verb draw. And what is drawing? Drawing is the creation of artistic pictures. So like drawing lines and shapes, and you would have artistic pictures. That is drawing. And drawing here functions as a noun. So our pattern today is very, very easy, isn't it? Now it's our turn to make our own sentences. I will make our own sentence now. For example, I like shopping. I like shopping. So in that case, shopping is the noun form, ing form of the verb shop. So shopping is the act of buying things that you really like. Okay? So I like shopping. Now, how about you? What is your sentence? Very good. Now, let's have a review and read the sentences again. Please repeat after me. I like skiing. I like skiing. I like sailing. I like sailing. I like reading. I like reading. I like biking. I like biking. I like drawing. I like drawing. Very good. Now, let's go on to the dialogue part. So, for dialogues 1 and 2, I will be speaker A, you will be speaker B. Let's start with number 1. I really admire your artwork. You painted this yourself? Number 2. What do you like to do for fun? That must be why you are in such good shape. Very good. Now, let's go back to the pattern and the sample sentences. Please review all of this and memorize all the sentences. Also, don't forget to make your own sentences as well, because this pattern is very easy and very helpful for you in expressing yourself in English, especially when you're talking about the things you like to do, okay? Or the hobbies you like to do, okay? This pattern can help you express yourself clearly. So, I hope you learned something for our video, and don't forget to please review this pattern and the sample sentences. So, this is Teacher Jen from camglish.com saying goodbye and see you on our next video. Goodbye!